Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge the Noise watch to at least 50% and turn on Bluetooth on your phone so transfers don't fail. Next, open the Noise Companion app and sign in. This links watch profiles to your account. Once done, on the watch, open Settings and navigate to Wallpaper or Watch Face. You need that menu active before sending photos. Make sure the phone and watch remain within 1-2 meters during the whole transfer to avoid interruptions. You now pick the image. Choose it inside the Noise app or select from your phone gallery because the app applies the correct transfer protocol. Then crop to the watch aspect ratio. Most models use square, some use 16:9, so the subject isn't cut off. Once cropped, preview the fit and tweak brightness or contrast. The smaller display can lose detail, so increase contrast slightly. After adjustments, tap Apply or Set as Watch Face in the app to prepare the transfer. You finish by sending the image from the app, tap Sync or Set, and wait for the confirmation prompt. Do not force close the app during transfer. Once the watch displays the new photo, choose the variant or complications if offered, then save. Make sure the image looks sharp and that shortcuts remain visible. If something goes wrong, restart the Noise app and the watch, verify Bluetooth pairing, and retry the transfer. This usually clears transient connection errors and prevents corrupted upload.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.